Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Nurlita Febriana, NIM C1K081042, kelas A dari Program Studi Budidaya Perairan, Fakultas Pertanian Universitas Mataram. Pada kesempatan kali ini, melalui rekaman video ini, saya akan menjelaskan sebuah artikel tentang ikan nila, yang sebelumnya artikel ini berbahasa Indonesia dan telah saya terjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Inggris. Artikel ini membahas beberapa poin penting, yakni abstrak, pendahuluan, metode, hasil dan pembahasan, serta kesimpulan. Langsung saja saya jelaskan artikel tersebut. This article title Water Restoration for Optimization the Water Quality of Tilapia Oreochromis niloticus cultivation. Abstract. Water is a living medium of aquatic organism. Water play an important role in aquaculture. Good water quality will determine the survival of this fish begging cultivation. Restoration is an effort to maintain water quality and overcome water problem in the Sukadamai Feelings aquaculture pond. This activity was carried out in Airway 4 of Sukadamai Feelings, Dramaga District, Bogor, the regions which aim to analyze the potential of fish in the Sukadamai Feelings aquaculture pond, the using of recirculation to maintain water quality. This activity was carried out on Friday, February 28, 2020, in the house of Pak Nadi, RW 4, Sukadamai Feelings, Dramaga District, Bogor, Regens, West Java. The data collection method is by interview and analysis description. The release of this activity found that the acuity of the water in the Sukadamai Feelings aquaculture pond was quite good because in relating using natural sparing. Recirculation can be using to overcome the problem of far sparing from the location of cultivation so that water can be reused. The using of filter can optimization the regulation system in the Sukadamai Feelings aquaculture pond. The closing is that the problem of water quality is not to felt by farmer in Sukadamai Feelings. Keyword restoration tilapia water quality. Introduction. Fish are organisms with the highest trophic level in water. The survival of fish is influenced by physical, chemical, and biological factors. Environmental, water are an important factor for the survival of aquatic organisms. Fish is organism that live in aquatic environmental in both fresh, brackish, and water the sea. Fish have various types with morphology and body characteristic difference. Changes in environmental conditions always occur due to inflation of activities human to natural changes. Unstable environmental conditions have an ever two seconds in aquatic organism either the result or interracial. Braga et al. 2070. Water is an import variable because water is a medium for stronger live fish, tilapia, Oreochromis niloticus. Is a freshwater fish with quality, good self-adaptation, so that it becomes a superior commodity for aquaculture in Indonesia. Teaching aquatic organisms are the same as freshwater fish in general break using gills. Operculum Putra 2050. Introduction tilapia production can be done by feeding, good feed, and water quality. They continue to be consideration. Insertion, productivity, and the aquaculture industry limited by monetization media that must always be conditioned because of its inflation against the survival of fish. The principle of the recirculation system is reuse water that has been using for cultivation activity. Ammonia removal result from fish metabolism is important focus in the recirculation system. Multi-valence filter media which can be using for recirculation, namely the Townsend's Zolitin casing, Anujatan Wanadiana, and Letulation Latusha Sativa, Putra et al. 2011. The quality of a water is an important commodity that can evaluate survival, growth, and rate of fish production. A good fermental is necessary for the survival of aquatic organisms. Several parameters to determine water quality are temperature, DO, pH, CO2, brightness, and hardness, as well as salinitas. This activity aims to analyze the application, good recirculation, and water quality for aquaculture in Sukadamai Fillings. Method of activities implementation. Time and place. These activities is held on Friday, 28 February 2020 at 5:50 on clock at Home Panadi RW 4 Sukadamai Fillings, Dramaga District, Bogor, Regens, West Java. The method of implementation activity is carried out by observation, collocation data observasi, collocation data observasi, and interview with relevant sources, respond data collocation on person, namely Mr. Nadi is a cultivator of Nirvana tilapia in Sukadamai Fillings. The choices of response was Mr. Nadi because he is an activity cultivation well known in the Fillings of Sukadamai, and the clan of cultivation is Kweti Lergens production and data analysis using descriptive quality data analysis. Ratio and decisions. Aquaculture is one of the import and superior sector in Sukadamai Fillings, Dramaga Subdistrict, Bogor Regens, which has an area of about 264 hectares. Fish Harry is one of the superior fields in the aquaculture sector. The Fillings Sukadamai, some residents have begun fish Harry cultivation although still traditional cultivation. The commodity that is using cultivation is such as fish, Clarias heteranus, tilapia, Oreochromis niloticus, and several types of ornamental fish. Mr. Nadi is one of the cultivation who is well known by this surrounding community. Sir Nadi come from RW4 Sukadamai Fillings, much of The residents in Airway 4 move on when the aquaculture sector in fish cultivation. The commodity cultivation by Pak Nadi are ornamentals with several types of fish, ornamental fish, and nirvana tilapia. The problem expedition by Mr. Nadi which doing its cultivation activity. Regarding water quality, distant, spirited, and capital. Water quality is very important in fish farming because water is fish life media that gradually determine the survival of the fish cultivation. As for as for some water quality parameter, namely temperature, DO, pH, CO2, brightness, and ammonia. These changes in water quality can occur due to natural process. However, changes in water quality are also often the result of human excitation. Mingowati and Satono, 2010. Comparison of temperature fluctuation in aquaculture pan and good temperature fluctuation according to Tatangidatu et al. 23 data can be seen in figure 1. Figure 1, fluktuasi suhu. The temperature using for this cultivation nirvana tilapia in the our aquaculture pan Pak Nadi is an average around 27 or 29 Celsius, figure 1, according to Tatangidatu et al. 2013, good temperature to support optimization fish growth in fish farming freshwater such as tilapia and goldfish is 28 Celsius. Temperature plays an important role for determining fish growth. This shown that the water temperature in Sukadamai Fillings good enough for cultivation activity. The next parameter is pH of the water. pH follows is an indicator of the acidity of water. Good pH follows of breeding ground of fish, namely 7 or 8 to low pH follow and to heighten can interference with fish life. The pH of the water in the fillings cultivation pan Sukadamai is stable and does not expression to drastic fluctuation so that it can is said to be good for fish survival. Salinity is the salt content in the water. Salinity greatly averages the osmotic pressure of water. Tilapia grown is said to be better if it lives in brackish water than fresh water. Tilapia can survive at salinity 0 on 3T5 ppt. Putra et al. 2011. Oxygen contaction dissolved can be measured using a DO-meter, oxygen content definition, suitable for tilapia aquaculture shown behaviors that's 3.0 mega per liter. Addition flavor oxygen is an important variable and is very much needed for fish survival. Nugroho et al. 2003. In addition, carbon dioxide is also needed for the photosynthesis process in the water. The fluence of CO2 is also determined by pH and temperature. Good CO2 content for good tilapia rearing cultivation is less than 50 mg per liter. CO2 fluence granites that's 50 mg per liter are harmful to the growth of organism sulfation because it can inhibit hemoglobin in the blood. Parameters are another import on the ammonia. Ammonia is the end product of the metabolic process. Fish ammonia can also come from leftover fin that is not eating and addition in water. Non-ionizing ammonia is toxic to fish and with gratis fluctuation can damage the fish gill tissue. Java 2011. The regulation system is a system that has the protocol of running water which has be using for sulfation activity to import component in the system regulation, namely sulfation and filters are to using to filtering water material for sulfation activity as ammonia, organic residues, solids, and other water chemical. Konsentrasi ammonia is water of tilapia aquaculture must be lower than 0.02 mg per liter. The using of biofilter can remove ammonia above 9 or 9 inch. Nugroho et al. 2003. The recirculation system in the Sukadamai fillings sulfation plant has not yet implementation a system regulation system. Figure 2. The regulation using is very simple, namely the residue water from ornamental strip sulfation using aromatherapy sulfation. The recirculation system is a way to managing optimization water quality during the manipulation of fish at Huygens density Huygens. In the Sukadamai fillings aquaculture pond, it has not appliance optimization filtration according to response water circulation is carried out using a solid filter. D then whatever fish fan is using as organic filtration for plants. Filtration is a filtering using a filter. Water that contains dirt filtered using a filter so as to produce clean water to get rosin. One of the filter material can be using is the biobel. Biobel is breeding ground for bacterial needing to process toxin in water. Alvia et al. 2013. Closing. Closing. Water quality is very important for fish farming. Water refers the media in which the fish live and its quality must be maintained. Water quality in the filling Sukadamais is good enough for cultivation of Nirvana tilapia Oreochromus niloticus. Several parameters to determine the quality of water, name, temperature, pH, salinitas, dissolved oxygen, and ammonia. A good recirculation system is not why to maintain water quality. The recirculation system in Sukadamai fillings is necessary developed again by using filter and filtration techniques that are good and current to optimization water quality and and to overcome the problem of defoliation actions to sources spirgins from 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 the cultivation location. Sekian yang dapat saya sampaikan, lebih dan kurangnya saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.